McCarrick, get up in there. Get up in this bitch. I got a lighter right here. Let's go, ladies. What's the hold up? We in wreck mode. We having technical difficulties here?
You need to cut something.
There it is.
Why are we having technical difficulties?
Are we doing the same time? Or?
That's a good idea, yeah.
Like finale?
Grand finale style, yeah.
Nice.
Whoa! Yeah. Get out of here! Ah! That might have been slightly illegal.
That's wrong, nigga.
Let's get out of here.